See this question. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. See the sphere. There is a cone which is inscribed inside the sphere. The radius of the sphere is given as r. So let us consider the distance OD as x. So the height of the cone. What is the height of the cone? That is h, which is equal r plus x. Radius of the cone. Let us take the radius of the cone as small r. That is, see, this is small r. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find small r as square root of capital R square minus x square. So the volume of the cone V, which is equal 1 by 3 pi r square h. A small r is the radius of the cone and the h is the height of the cone. So which is equal 1 by 3 pi into, what is r square? R square is capital R square minus x square. So we can replace the small r square as capital R square minus x square into h. What do you mean by h? H is the height of the cone. So the height of the cone is r plus x. So this is the V. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. So dV by dx, which is equal 1 by 3 into pi, is a constant. Now let us differentiate by using UV method. Keep the r square minus x square as a u and r plus x as the v. So u into r square minus x square into the differentiation of r plus x with respect to x. So the differentiation of r is 0 because r is the radius of the sphere. So it will become 0 because the radius of the sphere is a constant. So it will become 0. Next, the differentiation of x with respect to x. What is the value? That is 1. Next, plus r plus x into, that is v into the differentiation of r square minus x square with respect to x. Differentiation of r square is 0 because r is constant, implies r square is also constant. So it will become 0 when I am differentiating with respect to x. Next, minus x square. Differentiation of minus x square with respect to x, that is minus 2x. 1 by 3 pi into r square minus x square. It is looking like a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, r square minus x square we can write as r plus x into r minus x. Similarly here, r plus x into minus 2x. So 1 by 3 pi into, take the r plus x outside. So r plus x into, here r minus x will be there, r minus x, and then here minus 2x will be there. So this is 1 by 3 pi into r plus x into r minus x minus 2x, that is r minus 3x. Take the first derivative to 0 to find the critical values. So take dv by dx, which is equal 0. So what will happen? 1 by 3 pi into r plus x into r minus 3x, which is equal to 0. But 1 by 3 into pi, both are constants, so they cannot be 0. So r plus x into r minus 3x, which is equal to 0. Product of any two terms which is equal to 0 means either first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. So r plus x, which is equal to 0, this implies x is equal to minus r. It is impossible. Why it is impossible? Because x is the distance and r is the distance. So the distance cannot be negative. So it is impossible. So therefore r minus 3x, which is equal to 0. So r, which is equal 3x. So what is the value of r, or what is the value of x? X is equal to r divided by 3. Here x is equal to minus r, it is not possible, but x is equal to r by 3 is possible. So the only critical point is x is equal to r by 3. Next, let us find the second order derivative, d square v by dx square, which is equal 1 by 3 into pi. Differentiate using UV rule, that is product rule. Keep the r plus x as the u and r minus 3x as the v. So what is the formula? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So r plus x into differentiation of r minus 3x with respect to x. Differentiation of r is 0. Differentiation of minus 3x is minus 3 plus. Next, keep the r minus 3x as it is and differentiate the r plus x with respect to x. Differentiation of r is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. So into 1, no need to write. 1 by 3 pi into, let us simplify this one, minus 3r plus 1r, that is minus 2r, minus 3x minus 3x, that is minus 6x. Take the minus outside. So d square v by dx square, which is equal minus into 1 by 3 pi into 2r plus 6x. So the d square v by dx square, which is equal minus of 1 by 3 into pi into 2r plus 6x. Next, d square v by dx square at x is equal to the critical point r by 3. So d square v by dx square at x is equal to r by 3, which is equal minus 1 by 3 into pi 2 into r plus 6 into, what is the value of x? That is r by 3. So r by 3. See, everything is positive, but here one minus is there. So the positive into negative is negative. So d square v by dx square is less than 0 when x is equal r by 3. So at this critical point, the second derivative is less than 0. Here, what is the variable? V. What do you mean by V? V is the volume. So the volume is maximum when x is equal to 3. So the volume of cone is maximum when x is equal r by 3. What is the volume of the cone? V is equal 1 by 3 into pi into r square minus x square into r plus x. So V, which is equal 1 by 3 into pi into r square minus x square. What do you mean by x here? X is equal to r by 3. So x square means r square divided by 3 square, that is r square by 3 square, that is 9, into r plus x, that is r plus, what is the value of x? R by 3. So V, which is equal 1 by 3 into pi into, take the LCM, 9r square minus 1r square, that is 8r square divided by 9. Similarly, here take the LCM, 3 into r, 3r plus 1r, that is 4r by 3. Take the 8 by 27 outside. So 8 by 9 into 3, there's a value 27, take it outside. Rest of the values right inside the bracket. So here pi is there, and then r square is there, here 4 is there. So 4 and then divided by 3 is there, 4 by 3, and then 1 pi is there, and then r square into r, that is r cube. So 8 by 27 times, what is the meaning of 4 by 3 pi r cube? It's the volume of the sphere. So 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. So we have proved the volume of the cone is maximum and x is equal to r by 3 is 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. So we have proved the volume of the cone is maximum when x is equal to r by 3 is 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friends. If you want anything to be solved, please put your doubts in the comment section.